So for this recipe, you're going to need some chicken breasts chopped up, about this size here. You'll need some 1 cup of flour and a half a cup of cornstarch and some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and some Tony accessories. Now I coated my chicken breast with some Tony accessories. Now see, I added water to it to make it pasty, just like this. So now we're going to take our chicken, dump it inside our batter, just like this. And then we're going to drop it in the fryer. And this is how you get that Asian chicken, boneless chicken that they be making. And you just drop it in the batter and just keep repeating. Now I have flipped them over, nice and brown, and then we're cooking on the other side. Now they're turning brown. And then here go, this one just finished. And you add some sweet and sour sauce to them. Nice and delicious. Yeah, you have it, you guys. They're all finished up.